What is up, y'all? I haven't uploaded in a little bit of time, so this video is on DIY. So as right here, I've got this little blower. Now, if you've got an old uh, furnace unit, you got one of these in there. You can pull that out, stick it in a window, and use that for collecting dust. So you're sanding on your drywall, it's making dust. Well, that thing will suck it right out of there. I mean, you do get a little bit of over stuff, but it's not too bad. And we tape corners and all the joints. And then we sand and we sand and we sand. But this is the trick right here. So this came out of a used furnace unit. And it was taken out of a house and replaced by a new one. So I grabbed this up and kept it. It does need a new capacitor because it is kind of twitchy. Sometimes it doesn't work, it overheats and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, get you one of these. You can find them in different places. You can, even if you replace your own unit, get that out of there and keep it if it works. And then for your drywall, it works wonders. If you're doing any sort of sanding indoors, it pulls it right out. So that's awesome. Thank you for watching.